How to change app opening links settings on Android. This tutorial shows you how to control which app opens when you tap a supported link you support. First, long press the app icon from your home screen or app drawer and tap App Info. From there, tap Set as Default. After that, you'll see a toggle for Open Supported Links. Turn that on if you want this app to automatically open whenever you tap a link it supports, or turn it off if you'd rather choose manually each time. At this point, tap Supported Links from the same screen to see the full list of link types that will open this app, like specific websites or domains tied to it. From here, you can go through that list and review exactly what triggers the app to open, so you know what's covered before turning the toggle on. Following this, if multiple apps support the same link and you haven't set a default, your device will prompt you to choose which app to use every time you tap that type of link. Finally, if you ever want to change this later, just come back to the same app info screen and adjust the toggle or default settings as needed. That's how you change app opening link settings on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!